Kamya Karthikeyan. I'm a 16-year-old mountaineer, and I recently just summited Mount Everest on the 20th of May this year. And I became the second youngest girl in the world and the youngest Indian to climb Everest from the Nepal side. So it's been a dream of mine for a very long time, and it's part of my mission to climb the highest peaks on all the 7 continents. So it feels really good to have finally achieved it and come back safely. I did my first Himalayan trek in Uttarakhand when I was 7 years old, and since then I got hooked to trekking and climbing in general, and I used to go on treks every year during my school summer break. And in 2017 I trekked to the Everest base camp, and I think that is where the dream of climbing Everest actually started. But in August of the same year I climbed my first 6,000 meter peak in Ladakh called Mount Stoke Kangri. And it is after that that I set out on my mission to climb the 7 summits. So I think after that climb is when the dream actually turned into something that could possibly happen in the near future. My father has been my role model. He's the reason I got into mountaineering in the first place. So it was really special to be able to climb the mountain with him and for both of us to summit successfully and come back down safe. And I think it was a really amazing experience to get to spend 2 months with my dad away from the so-called civilization out in the mountains. So Mount Everest was the 6th out of the 7 summits for me. So I hope to complete my mission in December of this year by climbing Mount Vinson Massif, which is the highest peak in Antarctica. So right now we're just looking into the sponsorships and finances because climbing in Antarctica is a very expensive ordeal. So hopefully we'll be able to get everything together, everything will come together at the right time, and we'll be able to climb it this December. If someone's planning to climb Everest, I would suggest that they start with smaller climbs and do a lot of expeditions so that they gain experience, and more than that they gain confidence in their own skills. And I would just say, just stay determined, and we say in the mountaineering community, if you're tired, just keep putting one foot in front of the other and eventually you'll reach your Everest and your summit. Thankfully, I feel the mountain was very, very kind to us compared to how bad it could have gotten. But when we were going from Camp 3 to Camp 4, we experienced a lot of high winds, and with that, it was somewhat like a blizzard because there was snow that was getting thrown off the ground and coming on our faces. And our goggles were covered with snow and fog, so we couldn't see clearly, and there was a whiteout. So it was definitely tough conditions. Plus that day, there was also a pretty long traffic line at on the route. But I think thanks to that weather, a lot of people had turned back and gone back to Camp 3. We braved through it and we got to Camp 4. So when we were on our summit climb, thankfully we didn't have much traffic. So I think even though it was challenging, in some way it made the climb better for us. The entire expedition was about 2 months. So we started out on 5th of April from Kathmandu and trekked to the base camp. Then we did an acclimatization climb of a peak called Mount Labuche East, which is in the same region and above 6,000 meters. After that, we did some acclimatization halfway through the Khumbu Icefall and came back, which was majorly to take away the fear of the Khumbu Icefall that is there with a lot of climbers. Then we went up slightly above Camp 2, almost till Camp 3, and came back down so that our body was used to the altitude of 7,000 meters. And after that, we had about a 2-week period where we were waiting for the weather to open up higher in the mountains so that we could go there. And once we had a good weather window, we set out on our summit push and finally summited on the 20th of May. In 2021, my climbs at that time were considered for the Pradhan Mantri Bal Shakti Puraskar, which is the highest national award for civilians below the age of 18 years. So I was really honored that my efforts were being credited and recognized, and I just hope it inspires a lot more people, especially young people and girls, to get into mountaineering. I think it's really happy to finally be here. We've definitely missed Mumbai a lot, and we're just really happy to be here after a long climb and thankfully also a successful climb.